rise and shine, putos. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm on my way down to the paint shop to take back the side skirts to get them painted because, I mean, I read everybody's comments. I know the black would look dope, but I personally want them green. I think it'll flow better, and I don't know. That's what we're gonna do today. So we got some more things planned for today as well, but let's just get to the paint shop in one piece so I can stop vlogging and driving.
I get NBC like that girl Connie. Might just run for mayor like Rudolph Giuliani. I can talk a lot, got too much to tell. Used to have a girl who worked at Taco Bell.
Skirts have been dropped off. I should have them in a day or two. So my car's gonna be back to crust for another day or two, I guess. Hopefully, since my brother knows the painter, he can like get to him right away and I can have him back tomorrow, which would be awesome because I have a special guest coming on the video tomorrow. I'll tell you guys more about it when I get home because it's hot as hell and I feel like driving to get my ass home in the AC. So I'll see you guys when I get home.
I hopped off the ship with the woods lit. You tryna get a hit, you can forget about it. Fall, winter, spring, summer, running back. I'ma smoke it down until I'm through with that. I'm sitting candy, come to call up, she's a color hue. As soon as I pull up, she say I'm with you. And right before.
Alright, just got back home. Bro, it's hot, bro. My back, I need a car with AC. I think it's time that we buy a daily, bros. Your boy needs a daily, but I'm broke. So, hey, it's been like an hour or something. Alright. Up again, took a little nap. Today, what we're gonna do, seeing my cluster mess of stuff, we're gonna take out that radio and put in this radio. Now, the homie Raymond gave me this radio, so I have two of the same radios. Now, these are like 20 bucks at Walmart if you're interested in doing like this thing right here, because this radio is too big. See, I can't close it, so this little thing will eliminate all of that crap. And so I brought my handy dandy little head mount, so I'll probably get some POV footage of me taking out the radio and putting in this radio and stuff like that. It might suck, it might not, but this type of filming happens when you drop your camera off a damn 40,000 foot bleacher. But no need to fear, because I bought a new lens last night, boys. I bought me a prime lens. I bought a 12mm f2.8, and it comes in tomorrow, bro. Thank God for Amazon one-day shipping, boy. Had to spend a little change to get it, but hey, gotta upgrade the quality when need be, son. So hopefully the new lens will be, you know, a great addition to the daily videos and stuff like that. But enough of me yip yapping. Let's install this radio. All right, so I'm gonna drop the glove box. Okay, so it was way too hot to film and do everything at the same time, having this thing on my head. I was sweating too much, but rest to assure, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But it's in and it's working. Look at it, I got the Bluetooth in. Turn that up.
Walk my way.
We got some boom, son. And watch this. Oh, we clean. All right, so right now I'm headed to JB's residence because some guy's there. He's a fan of the videos, and JB's like, yo, come by, he wants to meet you. So that's what we're doing. It's always cool meeting subscribers and fans of the videos. I said it's a cool feeling, man. Like this past weekend at Streets Made Safe, I had like a mini meet around my car. It's like the coolest thing ever, man. Shout out to everyone who came up and said what up to you, boy, when I was out there. But let's head over to JB's residence, and hopefully he get your boy some new stuff to install on the car, because time to get my engine bay clean, because I got a package in the mail, and by the time of this video, Downstar sent me a support package or something like that, like a little care package or something cool like that, and can't wait to get home, unbox it, and show you guys. So let's get it!
Smiling and pleasant, the weed is the essence. But if I'm in the club, we could tear this shit up. I'm talking about shots, ridiculous amounts. Cause if you're gonna raise the shit we all about, take another shot or your soft dream on campaign. I'm the mother loving boss. Hate to suck my balls too tight. I never say goodbye cause I'm on mine. All my life, wanna do something major. Now every little thing I do might make it in the.
What's up, Jason? What's up, man? Heard you got the Mr. K-Swap over here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Zosh, Marcus Zosh.
What's up, man?
Hey, I'll be honest, it does look a lot better in person.
Right?
Yeah, it does.
It just in person, you see the shine on it. It looks much better in person.
It does look way better in person.
Hey, thanks, bro. K24?
K20A2.
Oh, Type S, full A2. That's nice.
Man, this boy got fresh kicks on right now. Look at you, bro. Clean.
Nah, bro, relax. This thing is nice, man. Hey, Sadowski, look at your fuel kit. I have it. You want it? Ransom. I need to charge ransom for this. What should I charge him? I need ransom.
I don't know, bro. Maybe some Hasport mounts.
Yeah, I need some Hasport mounts. So if you want your fuel stuff,
some K-swap.
Yeah, some K-swap. Did he mention on his channel that he's going K-swap? My man's running aux beams. What is it, T1 series? I think this is the T1 series. Must be nice to have a 9006. I finally got my aux beams to work. I need a K-swap in my life. My man's running a Buddy Club Spec 2, son. Ooh. Full suspension, True Art coilovers, BWR. Full suspension in the rear and front. OEM mud flaps, boy. And it's a true SI model. That's pretty cool. Came to the mall for a surprise gift for my sister for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna get her some. She might watch this video, so I can't tell you what I'm gonna get her, but she's gonna get some dope from her brother. But if you're watching this, sis, I hope you're happy with your gift. Happy Valentine's Day. What's up, y'all? So I'm with my daughter, Jasmine. Nah, I'm just playing. It's my niece. Last time y'all saw her, she was just born. Now she's like, what, 3 weeks?
She's a month old.
She a month?
February the 9th.
Where I been?
Especially when it comes to fuel, bro, that whole shit has to go back to and get cleaned up, because what can happen is, for example, when you're driving and you're cruising, you can be smelling fuel like a motherfucker, or it's black.
So I just got off the phone with Eddie, which is the head honcho over at Genesis Automotive, and the injectors I sent off to get clean and everything, there was nothing wrong with them. There is nothing wrong with the injectors at all. Put them in, flowed perfectly fine. There was not a damn thing wrong with them. Those are his words, so I could have tuned as soon as I got those injectors. So when the injectors get here, expect the dyno video. As soon as I get those injectors, we're off to the dyno, baby. So, what I have in front of me is a package from Downstar, Mr. Frank Garcia himself. He sent me out something I was honestly not expecting him to, but he did anyway, and let's open it up and see what it is. I actually have no idea what's inside here. Like, honestly, like, I'm being real with y'all. I honestly don't know what's in here. He just said, yo, what colors you want? I told him the colors, and then here we have. So, first thing, oh, we got a shirt. We got a shirt. Oh yeah, got some merch, baby. All right, first things first, we got a Downstar shirt. We got 2 shirts. So we got a Downstar shirt here. We have another Downstar shirt, some hardware. Oh yeah. Oh, complete, dang. Yo, Frank hooked it up, yo. Yo, full complete transmission hardware. Yo. Damn, Frank. My man hooked it up, yo. Another shirt. Yo, son. Yo, my man. We have a sticker right here that's going on the car, of course. Going on the car, of course. Yo, that is nuts, bro. Holy crap. What is this, complete engine kit? This is a lot of stuff. Holy hell, yo. Yo, Frank, man, if you're watching this with the utmost highest value of appreciation, thank you so much for sending me all this stuff, man. I did not honestly think you were sending me this much stuff. Like, I thought it'd be like some fender washer kit or something. Like, you sent me a complete transmission kit, some other stuff I have no idea what it is, but it looks like it belongs on the car. 4 shirts. Bro, like, thank you so much, bro. Like, I honestly mean that from the bottom of my heart, man. Thank you. Damn, bro, this is crazy. Thank you, yo. So this is all that Frank sent me. If you don't know who Frank is the head honcho over at Downstar. He created it. I respect his grind and his hustle and how he got started. Like, that's dope, man. Like, I'll leave a link down in the description below to downstar.com and to the documentary talking about how he got his come up in the industry and stuff like that. Yo, so say goodbye to the last day of closing a video on a GoPro. Well, hopefully, because if I drop a camera again off 80,000 foot stairs of state, what? But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, smack that like button for your boy. Today has been a pretty good day. Hopefully I get my side skirts tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, my man Adam from 621 is coming down to hang out with your boy, so expect a dope vlog of that. Can't wait to hang out with Adam. Should be a dope video nonetheless. Hopefully I get my side skirts tomorrow too, so we can just vlog around, do like a daily vlog of what I do in my life and stuff like that. I don't know. Hopefully have him drive the car, have fun with it and stuff like that. I don't know, but tomorrow should be a really good day. Plus the Flash comes on tomorrow and Black Lightning. Can't wait for that. I love Tuesdays, baby. Tuesdays is lit. But other than that, I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.